Do you ever pause to appreciate the breathtaking colors and intricate details of the world around you? Our eyes, those remarkable organs, allow us to soak in such beauty each day. But have you ever stopped to think about how our diet impacts their health? Come with us as we explore the world of eye care and uncover 8 foods that not only shield our eyes but also aid in restoring vision. In a fast-paced world where our eyes face constant challenges, it's crucial to prioritize their well-being. Let's dive into the realm of eye health and discover how nutrition can make a difference. Number 1. Carrots. These humble root vegetables pack a powerful punch with their beta-carotene content, a precursor to vitamin A, essential for night vision and overall eye health. Incorporating carrots into your diet can help prevent dry eyes and promote tear production. Additionally, the antioxidants present in carrots combat free radicals, protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and age-related degeneration. Furthermore, the fiber in carrots supports gut health, which is linked to improved overall well-being and indirectly influences eye health. Number 2. Fish. Dive into a sea of omega-3 fatty acids found abundantly in fish like salmon and trout. Not only do they combat dry eyes, but they also provide selenium and vitamin D, forming a formidable defense against age-related macular degeneration. Moreover, the protein-rich nature of fish supports the maintenance and repair of eye tissues, ensuring optimal visual function. Fish also contains taurine, an amino acid that plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure of the retina and supporting visual acuity. Number 3. Eggs. Don't overlook the incredible benefits nestled within the yolks. Lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs shield delicate eye tissues, reducing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts as we age. Eggs also contain essential amino acids necessary for the synthesis of proteins crucial for eye structure and function, making them a holistic choice for eye health. Moreover, the choline present in eggs supports the production of neurotransmitters involved in visual processing, contributing to sharper vision. Number 4. Bell peppers. Add a splash of color to your plate with bell peppers, rich in vitamin C. This antioxidant powerhouse not only bolsters the immune system, but also guards against cataracts and macular degeneration. Furthermore, the high fiber content in bell peppers promotes healthy blood circulation, ensuring that essential nutrients reach the eyes efficiently. Bell peppers also contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, further enhancing their protective effects on eye health. Number 5. Berries. Indulge in the sweet delight of berries, brimming with anthocyanins that enhance night vision and combat oxidative stress. Regular consumption can safeguard against age-related eye issues. Moreover, the fiber present in berries aids in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetic retinopathy, a common complication of diabetes affecting the eyes. Berries also contain flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and contribute to overall eye health. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers are teeming with beta-carotene, ensuring a steady supply of vitamin A for optimal corneal function. Protect your eyes from environmental elements and age-related degeneration with this nutritious staple. Additionally, the complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes provide sustained energy, supporting overall eye health and function. Sweet potatoes are also rich in potassium, which helps regulate intraocular pressure and reduces the risk of conditions like glaucoma. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Crunch on almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts for a dose of vitamin E, selenium, and zinc. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, safeguarding the retina and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Furthermore, the healthy fats present in nuts and seeds promote the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins crucial for eye health, such as vitamin A and D. Nuts and seeds also contain plant-based omega-3 fatty acids like alpha-linolenic acid, which contribute to the maintenance of retinal health. Number 8. Broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is a treasure trove of lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, offering comprehensive protection against oxidative stress and age-related eye conditions. Incorporating broccoli into your diet promotes the production of collagen, a protein essential for maintaining the structure and elasticity of eye tissues. Moreover, the sulfur compounds in broccoli support detoxification processes, ensuring optimal eye health from within. Broccoli also contains folate, which is important for DNA synthesis and repair in ocular tissues. As we wrap up our journey through the world of eye health, let's keep in mind that taking care of our eyes is vital for our overall well-being. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into our diet, we're taking proactive steps to preserve our vision in a world full of screens and pollutants. But remember, eye care involves more than just nutrition. Regular checkups and protective measures are also crucial. So, let's continue on this path to better eye health, one delicious bite at a time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a future filled with vibrant sights and clear vision.